In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead request form website integration. By the end, you'll have a clean, embedded request form on your site, so new leads can reach you quickly, and their info flows straight into your workflow. Start by opening Jobber and signing into your account. From the main dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon on the left. Head there first, because we're going to turn on and configure the built-in website tool that makes this integration simple. Inside Settings, select Generate My Website. This launches Jobber's website builder, which creates a straightforward site you can publish or keep as a draft. Don't worry, this won't overwrite any existing external website you already have. It's simply a Jobber-hosted page you can use for leads or link to from your current site. You can always return later to update branding, colors, and content. Once the website builder opens, navigate to the section labeled Form. This is where we'll place your lead capture form. In the editor, make sure you're looking at the Form tab, not just the Page Layout or Design tab. The Form tab contains the actual form options and settings, which is what we need to embed the live request form. Now click Request Form to embed it. This pulls in the Jobber request form that collects contact details and job information from your visitors. After it appears, change the heading text to Request Form so it clearly shows on your website. Keeping the heading short and direct helps visitors know exactly what they're looking at. If you plan to customize fields or make certain questions required, you can do that from your request form settings in Jobber, and those changes will reflect here. When everything looks good, decide how you want to go live. Click Publish to make the site visible immediately, or choose Save as Draft if you'd like to review and finalize later. A quick tip: before publishing, use the preview to scan for spacing issues, typos, and mobile responsiveness. After publishing, visit the live page in a new browser tab and submit a quick test request with sample data to confirm notifications, required fields, and follow-up automations are working as expected. That's it. You opened Jobber, went into Settings to generate your website, navigated to the Form area, embedded the request form, updated the heading, and then published or saved as a draft. With this in place, your lead capture process becomes faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.